Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies and welcome to a new vapor honing video. What I have here is a 671 blower drive cover. We're going to use a combination of glass bead and aluminum oxide mixture in order to do processes in one. Please stay tuned and see the before and after. As you can see during the blasting process, the water cushions the abrasive against the surface, therefore allowing no damage to come to the surface. No materials are being removed. However, it's leaving behind that like new OEM finish. Using vapor honing and a combination of aluminum oxide and glass bead, we were able to bring this part back to a brand new appearance. For more information, please call the sales team at 828-202-5563. Please do not forget to follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.